Hello everyone, Qiyi here. Today I'm just doing a quick review video, not on this cube, on this one, the Qiyi Speed Cube Warrior S or 5. I don't know. Now this channel is not exactly for reviews, and this will be my only review video. And so let's just get right into it. From what I've heard, this cube came from easycube.com. This website isn't up 100%, so make sure in a few months go check that out. Oh no, in a month, but you can go check it out now as well. Manual, description, whatever it's called, and this is the cube. That's pretty nice. I'd say it's not magnetic. I'd say it's a pretty good cube for beginners. Yeah, so if you're just beginning speed cubing, I suggest you get this, and I'd suggest you get this just for beginning, so that just in case you don't want to normally. I'm not good at this. I'd get this cube if you start doing speed cubing, but if you don't like it. Okay. Oops. Oh, whoops. Oh, I'm doing horrible. Bit loose, might need a bit of fixing up, but other than that, it's a pretty good cube. So I'd suggest getting this if you're just starting speed cubing. I'm not sure on the price, but it's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, go check that out, and please consider liking and subscribing the video. See ya.